Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm gonna help you out on how to choose between Robinhood or eToro. And before starting this comparison video, I wanna make one thing clear. No platform is better than the other. Both are great to use, but they do have some key differences. And I will show you today on 5 topics where those differences lie, so you can base your choice on what actually fits your investing style and goals. So let's start right here with the main focus. The main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. It's built around giving you a fast, clean, and straightforward way to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options without any unnecessary complexity. The main focus on eToro, on the other hand, is social investing and multi-asset trading. What makes eToro unique is that it combines traditional investing with a social network feel. You can see what other investors are doing, follow their strategies, and even copy their trades automatically. If you look at best for Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders who want to keep things simple and learn the basics of the market without distractions. eToro is the best for investors who want to use copy trading. So if you want to do a lot more with copy trading, meaning you let experienced investors trade on your behalf automatically, I definitely recommend you to use eToro. It's a great way to invest, even if you don't have the time or confidence to make every decision yourself. Now, if you want to check the trading tools, Robinhood has basic charting and trading tools, which are clean and easy to understand and perfect for everyday investing. eToro has copy trading, stocks, ETFs, and a lot of crypto trading options. The crypto selection on eToro is especially strong, so if digital assets are part of your strategy, eToro gives you a lot more to work with in that space. If you look at the interface, Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner-friendly, designed so that anyone can jump in and start investing within minutes. eToro is modern and user-friendly, with a social feed built right into the platform so you can see trending assets and popular investors. So the two interfaces are actually pretty similar in terms of ease of use, which is great for beginners on both sides. Then, if you go right here to the fees and trading costs, Robinhood has commission-free trading, meaning you pay nothing when you buy or sell stocks and ETFs, which keeps your costs very low, especially when you're starting out. eToro has higher spreads but no platform fees. Spreads mean the difference between the buy and sell price is slightly wider, so it's worth keeping that in mind when trading frequently. But for long-term investors, it's generally not a big concern. So if you're asking me, many investors use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETFs, options trading, and beginner-friendly investing. It's a great place to build your foundation and get comfortable with how markets work. And many investors use eToro for copy trading, social investing, stocks, ETFs, and crypto investing. If you like the idea of learning from other investors while also growing your portfolio, eToro really shines in that area. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly which platform you need to pick. Whether you want a clean and simple experience with Robinhood or a more social and diverse investing experience with eToro, both are solid choices depending on what you're looking for. If you have any questions about both of them, please comment it down below. I'm always happy to help. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.